We got a list of lawyers, and oh no, we forgot to add Esquire to every single one. How are we going to do this? I'm going to show you in this video. Very simply, we're going to equals A2 ampersand space period and quotes. Now, once we do that, sometimes it'll ask us to autofill, or we can drag this all the way down. But I want to show you how to do this in one single formula. We're going to wrap this with array formula. And instead of A2, we're going to do A2 colon A. Hit enter, and now everyone is esquired, including Saul Goodman and Jack McCoy here. But let's say we have some blanks. We don't want this Esquire here. So inside of our array formula, we're going to add if is blank, and inside of it, A2 colon A. Need to have two commas here because if the value is true, we want nothing, and if the value is false, meaning it's not blank, we want to do our text transformation, or adding the suffix here. Hit enter, and now we have nothing except for a single array formula, and we show blanks when there is nothing here. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets, like these awesome Google Sheet formula combinations, subscribe here to Better Sheets on YouTube.